Hey guys, this is me back on Science, and today I'm going to be shooting a simple little tutorial on how to make an easy paper frontman mask from Squid Game, and these are all the materials you'll need. You won't be needing to print a template. We'll just be sketching the template ourselves as close to the real one as possible. So yeah, it's not going to be fixed like measurements. I'm just going to give you a rough estimate based on your own personal size. You'll have to modify it. So yeah, let's just begin with the materials. These are all you need, maybe some more extra cardboards. Other than that, this is plenty. So I'm just gonna grab one of these, fold them in half, because whatever we make on one side we can mirror it on the other, as the masks are pretty symmetric. Okay, so I've pulled out a template right there. Now let's start with the nose. Actually, the eyes are right there, so you can imagine the eyes being right there, and you can imagine your nose being like about that big, and then your mouth right there. So we are gonna start with the eyebrow area, and it's pretty simple. So first up, you've got actually let's start with the nose. I think that'll be a bit more easier. So let's remove these rough sketch. We'll just start with a rough template instead. So what I want to do is make about that big nose, and then I'll just join these like that. Then I'll make a shape like this, a triangle shape like that, and then actually a bit bigger, like that, like that. So that'll be our nose. Now let's work on the lower part of the nose. So it's pretty similar in size. You've got a triangle right there, ridge right there, so this is one of the most delicate parts. So if you manage to finish this, you can just do the forehead and the cheek area pretty easily. I hope, at least, because I haven't tried anything like this before. Something like that. Let's do this, and we'll mirror it on that side. Right there we've got another piece. It's like this. Right there. I actually need some more cardboard, so let's use this right there. Alright, down here I'm gonna put some of this lines. Okay, and in the end we have the chin area. Okay, right there. So that's our chin and nose done, and now let's do the cheekbone. I'm gonna go with something very similar to the original till this point. Actually, let's do the ridge, eyebrow ridge first. That looks easier. So that's about the size of the eye. Alright, now let's move on to the side parts. I don't know what this is, but we'll have to figure that out later on. There's a shape like this. And there is a shape like this. I don't think they're that important, so we can replace them probably. Alright, let's cut it out and see how far we have gotten. We'll do the upper part, just one of the upper parts right now as well. Might as well, just to be safe. So it looks, let's fold this as well. Like that big, actually that big. Alright, let's cut this out and see what we get. Now, so far here are all the pieces, and I kind of don't think they fit perfectly together, but we're just gonna try it out. Let's see what happens. So this is gonna be the eyebrow ridge. Right there's that. I'm missing a part right there. I think I forgot to include. I don't know what this pointy thing is, so I'm just gonna ignore that, fold it in, and I'm going to add the nose first. Okay, and then we've got this part. So let's do the lower nose. How do I even do this? Alright, so this is on top. Alright, so I'm almost done. This was pretty tough. So this is how it looks so far. I just need to cover up this side like this, exactly the same. Just like that. One more right there. And just for good measure, let's take. So this was more of a challenge puzzle than a tutorial because it was pretty tough. It was not easy at all. And it was a pretty cool challenge. So I had to improvise a little bit. For example, those on the side are my own design, so they don't look as cool as the Squid Game version. Let me just give this a fold as well, because this looks 3D. And finishing touches, a few pieces of tape, and there you go. That's my frontman mask. Oh, I tried at least. And this is how it turned out so far. There's one more thing I could do. I could probably grab a marker of some sort like this and then just make the outlines, make it look more 3D, but that's too much work, so I am not doing that today. And that's about it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you got some inspiration to do some paper crafts, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment me down below what should I do next in my next video, and share my videos. Thank you. Bye bye.